Welcome back to Express Sideload. Today we're testing a downloader code that is currently working on Firestick in June 2026. And I'm going to show you the entire installation process from start to finish. Before we begin, a quick note. The content in this video is intended for educational and informational purposes only. For the security of the channel, some screenshots, installation details, and interface elements may be partially hidden, blurred, or edited during the demonstration. The goal is to show the process safely, while protecting resources that are frequently abused. Now, let's get started. Before entering any code, let's make sure your Firestick is properly configured. Skipping these steps is one of the biggest reasons installations fail. Take a moment to follow along carefully. Here's our checklist for today's installation. First, we'll enable developer options. Next, we'll grant downloader the required permissions. Then, we'll verify the code, install the application, and finally, perform a complete functionality test. Let's begin. Step 1. Open Settings. Select My Fire TV. Go to About. Choose Fire TV Stick. Now press the OK button on your remote 7 times. You should see a message confirming that developer options have been enabled. Perfect. Developer options are now enabled. We can move on to the next step. Step 2. Open Developer Options. Select Install Unknown Apps. Locate Downloader in the list, and switch it to On. Without this permission, Firestick will block the installation process. Excellent. Downloader now has the required installation permissions. We're ready to continue. Step 3. Launch Downloader. Wait for the home screen to load completely. Now we're ready to test the code. This is the moment that matters. We're about to test the downloader code. If the page loads successfully, we'll know the code is currently working. Let's see what happens. Enter the following downloader code: 85256. The connection has started. As you can see, the download process is now underway. Wait for the file to finish downloading completely before moving to the next step. When the installation screen appears, select Install. Now wait while Firestick completes the installation process. This usually takes only a few moments. Installation complete. Select Open to launch the application for the first time. If the application requests any permissions, allow them. These permissions are often necessary for normal operation and proper functionality. Complete any setup screens that appear. The main menu has loaded successfully. No installation errors, no loading loops, no warning messages. Everything appears to be working correctly. The application is running normally. Navigation is responsive. Menus are loading properly, and the installation appears to have completed successfully. Let's review our checklist. Developer options enabled. Downloader permission granted. Downloader installed. Code verified. Application installed successfully. Everything on our checklist has been completed. And that's it. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to subscribe to Express Sideload. We regularly publish Fire TV tutorials, Android TV guides, downloader codes, troubleshooting videos, and streaming related tips. If the installation worked for you, leave a comment below and let us know your device and your country. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.